the laptop era as we know it might officially be over. If you were thinking about dropping $1,500 on a new MacBook or an iPad Pro today, stop. Just put the credit card down for a second. We have just received the most credible leaks yet regarding the Samsung Galaxy Tab S12 Ultra, and it's clear that Samsung isn't just making another tablet, they are building a machine that aims to make every other portable computer look like a relic from the past. Welcome back to TechVibe. Today, we are diving deep into the 2026 powerhouse that is the Galaxy Tab S12 Ultra. We're talking about a move to grade 5 titanium, the death of the display notch, and a jump in RAM that sounds more like a gaming PC than a handheld device. Stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly why your next computer might actually be this tablet. For the last couple of years, the tablet market has felt a bit iterative. A slightly faster chip here, a slightly brighter screen there. But 2026 feels different. Samsung is preparing to launch the Galaxy Tab S12 Ultra, and the goal is simple: total market dominance. Let's start with the first thing you're going to notice, which is the design. For the first time in the Ultra's history, Samsung is reportedly ditching the notch. That's right. That little cutout that's been staring at us since the S8 Ultra is finally being replaced. Thanks to the new under-display camera 2.0 technology, the S12 Ultra will feature a truly edge-to-edge 14.6-inch display with zero interruptions. This isn't just a cosmetic win, it's a statement of engineering. But it's not just about what's missing on the front, it's about what's been added to the frame. Following in the footsteps of the S24 and S25 Ultra phones, the Tab S12 Ultra is moving to a grade 5 titanium chassis. This is a game-changer for a device of this size. If you've held the previous S11 Ultra, you know it's a massive slab of tech. By switching to titanium, Samsung is able to make the S12 Ultra significantly lighter while actually increasing the structural rigidity. It's thinner, it's stronger, and it feels like a piece of high-end jewelry in your hands. Now, let's talk about that screen, because this is where Samsung always wins. We are looking at a 14.6-inch tandem OLED panel. If you aren't familiar with tandem OLED, it essentially stacks two layers of organic LEDs. The result is a peak brightness that is rumored to hit a staggering 2,800 nits. This makes the Tab S12 Ultra the most readable tablet on the planet for outdoor use. Whether you're a digital artist working in a sunlit park or a professional editing 4K HDR video on a plane, the color accuracy and contrast ratios here are going to be unmatched. Plus, we're finally seeing a bump in the refresh rate to an adaptive 144 Hz, making the S Pen feel even more like ink on paper. Speaking of the S Pen, the S12 Ultra will ship with the new S Pen Pro 3. This isn't just a plastic stick. It now features advanced haptic feedback. When you draw with a pencil brush, you'll feel a subtle vibration that mimics the friction of graphite on paper. When you switch to a marker, the resistance changes. It's that level of immersion that separates Samsung from the competition. But what's under the hood? This is where things get scary for the competition. The heart of the beast is the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 2, or in some regions, a custom-tuned MediaTek Dimensity 9500 Plus. Early benchmarks suggest a 30% jump in CPU performance and a massive 40% leap in GPU efficiency. But the number that really stopped us in our tracks is 24 GB of RAM. You heard that right. Samsung is reportedly offering a top-tier configuration with 24 GB of LPDDR6 RAM. Why do you need that much RAM in a tablet? 2 words: neural DeX. Samsung has completely overhauled its desktop mode. Neural DeX uses the onboard NPU to handle heavy multitasking without the system ever breaking a sweat. You can have a professional video editor, a web browser with 50 tabs, and a Zoom call running simultaneously in windowed mode, and the S12 Ultra won't even stutter. This is the laptop killer promise finally being realized. And we can't talk about 2026 without talking about AI. Galaxy AI 3.0 was built into the core of the S12 Ultra. We're moving beyond just circle to search. We're talking about real-time, on-device AI video rendering. Imagine filming a clip on your phone, sending it to your tablet, and having the AI automatically remove backgrounds or generate missing frames in 4K, all without needing a cloud connection. For students, the new Note Assist can now record a lecture, transcribe it into 5 different languages, and create a bulleted summary with cited diagrams from your textbook all in seconds. Of course, all this power needs fuel. Samsung is rumored to be packing a massive 12,000 mAh battery inside this titanium frame. But more importantly, they are finally upgrading the charging speed. We are looking at 65W or potentially 80W fast charging support. In a world where we've been stuck at 45W for years, this is a massive win. You'll be able to juice up this giant screen from 0 to 50% in about 30 minutes. Now, let's address the elephant in the room, which is the price. Premium tech comes at a premium cost. In the US market, we expect the Galaxy Tab S12 Ultra to start at around $1,199 for the 256GB model, with the 1TB and 24GB RAM monster potentially pushing toward $1,700. It's an investment, but when you consider it can replace your laptop, your drawing tablet, and your entertainment system, the value proposition starts to make sense. So, when can you get your hands on one? Based on Samsung's current release cycles and the latest supply chain leaks, we are looking at a late summer 2026 launch. Most likely at a Galaxy Unpacked event in August or September, alongside the Galaxy Z Fold 8. The Galaxy Tab S12 Ultra represents the peak of what Android can be. It's not just a device for consuming content, it's a device for creating it. It's for the architect who needs to render 3D models on site. It's for the executive who wants to travel light without losing desktop power. And it's for the tech enthusiast who simply wants the best display in the world. Imagine waking up and grabbing this tablet to start your workday. The weight reduction from the titanium is immediately noticeable as you hold it with one hand to check emails. The screen comes to life with such vibrance that even your morning coffee looks dull by comparison. You snap it into the magnetic keyboard case, which has also been redesigned with a larger haptic trackpad, and suddenly you are in a full desktop environment. This isn't the clunky Android stretched-out experience of 5 years ago. This is a refined, optimized workspace where every app feels native. For the creative professionals watching this, the integration with the Adobe Creative Cloud and LumaFusion has been optimized specifically for the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 2. Rendering times that used to take minutes now happen in seconds. This level of speed changes how you work. You aren't waiting on the machine anymore, the machine is waiting on you. As we look at the broader landscape of tech in 2026, it's clear that the gap between mobile and desktop is evaporating. Samsung is leading the charge by proving that you don't need a hinge and a thick base to have a pro-grade computer. The S12 Ultra is the culmination of years of refinement. It's the answer to the question of whether a tablet can be a primary device. For the US and global markets, this is going to be the gold standard. Whether you are a gamer looking for that 144Hz edge, a creator needing the color-accurate tandem OLED, or a power user who needs the 24GB of RAM to manage a business, the S12 Ultra is checking every single box. So, what do you think? Is the Galaxy Tab S12 Ultra the device that finally kills the laptop, or is it just too much tablet for most people? I want to hear your thoughts in the comments. Are you Team Samsung or are you sticking with the iPad Pro this year? If you enjoyed this deep dive, do us a huge favor and smash that like button. It really helps the channel grow. And don't forget to subscribe to TechVibe and hit that bell icon so you're the first to know when the official Unpacked 2026 news drops. Samsung is clearly going for the throat with the S12 Ultra. With titanium builds, notchless displays, and 24GB of RAM, the line between tablet and supercomputer is officially blurred. But the real question is, will you buy it? Let us know down below. Thanks for watching TechVibe, and we will see you in the next one.